Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Adam Coins back. And I made a video on CRO, and I had to remake it once again. I don't know, the laptop really messed up the voice, and I really have to make from scratch once again. Kind of frustrating, but it's okay. I'm just gonna do it once again. So here we are, and I'm just gonna start from the very beginning. Now, based on the popular demands and requests from all of you people on the Discord and the personal DMs as well, we have this one saying CRO finally. We have the crow. Everyone is doing crow on the Facebooks as well, on the YouTube comments as well. And I've heard about crow so many times. And when you get my attention, I'm gonna make the video. Now, very quickly, please like this video as it helps the channel always. Before you actually watch the whole video, like the video because it helps in the growth. Now, you can also join the Discord channel because you can find the link in the description, okay, of this video. There's a description. I'm giving signals as well, and we guys are really starting off to push for greater things. Now, what is crypto.com? You know, it's an exchange out there that is actually popular now. It's partnership with UFC as well, and it's looking to be a very good project. People are using it to replace Binance as well, but at the moment, the technical analysis and what is the future of of this coin as well. Now, there's something I want to show you here, and we have something known as continuation patterns. Okay, now this is when you have like a bull flag, you have like counter trend lines. All of these things happens when you are in an uptrend, and at the moment this has been in an uptrend ever since June of 2021. Now, where are we going and what did we do? I'm gonna go into the 4-hour time frame just like that. I'm gonna click the 4-hour time frame and let's look what is going on the 4-hour time frame. So very quickly here, as we were progressing towards the upside, I'm going to show you the continuation patterns as well right there. So as we were moving just like that, you had this one continuation right there, broke out of it, then continue, made another bull flag right there, broke out of it, we made another one right here, we broke out of it, made another one right there, simple, break out of it, another one right here, break out of it, a small one right there, we broke out of it, another continuation pattern, we broke out of it, and then we came here, and this is where we finally stopped at nearly $1. Now people, there's one more thing that I want to tell you, that there's a psychological round off number. When you see 99, okay, your brain is going to tell you 100. Do you understand that? And people have been buying at the 99, 98, thinking that it's gonna break $1, and I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. Even though the project is good and it's amazing, even Bitcoin is amazing, but it doesn't mean that Bitcoin doesn't go down by 80%. Now, I'm not trying to sound bearish, or I'm not trying to say that you have made a bad decision or anything, but I'm trying to read the charts for you with logical fundamentals, logical explanation here. Now, the moment on the 4-hour time frame as well, we do have something known as a descending triangle. Do you see that? Something like this one, and then you have this one right there. Now this is a little bit tricky, and I'm going to show you why it is tricky. I'm just going to ignore the wicks as well, and I'm going to put this right here. And let's talk about the descending triangle. There is one article I'm going to show you, and if you go to the ambiguity of ascending triangle, of ascending and descending triangle, from Gerald Koh stock charts here, they said that this can go up, it can go to the downside. And I want to read this one really quickly for you. We have the ascending triangle, regardless of where they form. Ascending triangles are bullish patterns that indicate accumulation. Descending triangle, regardless of where they form, descending triangles are bearish patterns that indicate distribution. Okay, however, I have encountered these triangles may possess double meaning. Attached are the success and fill examples. Now here we are, the success and the fill example. What is this? This is an ascending triangle that broke and continued towards the upside. I'm just going to bring in right here, and I'm going to draw this one really quickly for you. Let me bring this on the side like that, and you have something known as ascending triangle, and this one are bullish. They can go up, they can even go down as well, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing is, you can see here, this was an ascending triangle, but it had a fake out. So I'm going to show you the ascending triangle like this. The prices are squeezed here. It broke out, had a fake out for the retest. It didn't have a successful retest, but it went all the way down, and they go down to where they formed the triangle. That's the first thing. Okay, second thing. Now let's talk about descending triangles here. And you can see when you have a descending triangle, you break down of it, you back test it, and you fail, you go all the way down. So let me draw this one for you. You have a descending triangle. The prices went from an uptrend, like doom 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 doom, go up, trapped in a descending triangle. They break down, fail the retest, and then they go down. But the retest is so important. Or you could have another scenario, you just go in, you get trapped, you make a fake out, you go up, and then you go up, back test it, you go back to where you formed that triangle. Do you understand that? And look at this one. This was a successful descending triangle, and this was a failed descending triangle. Why did I say fail? Because descending triangles are bearish normally. Most of the time, 70% of the time, the prices go down, but it doesn't mean they cannot go up. Okay, now that was something I wanted to clear for you on this regarding the 4-hour time frame and this descending triangle. Now you do have the clear idea that you really have to sit on the sidelines and you have to wait for a decision, and the apex is at 6 December right there. So before 6 December, 4 days from now that I'm recording, you are watching this video, hear me out, look out for these ones as well, because you can have this one go down, fail the retest, sell it here, and this is gonna go down. Or if it does break down, wait for the retest, because it could pass the retest and continue towards the upside, right? Or if you can see this one going up, don't buy here, let it back test and go up. Otherwise, if it does come down, it could fail and then go down. Do you understand that? So retests are very, very important. I'm going to repeat this one and put this in your brain very clearly. Now that is out of the way, but what is the target when you break out of it? Simple. You go back to where you formed that triangle, and I'm going to drop a horizontal line right there, which is the 96 cents if you break towards the upside. And if you break towards the downside, you are going to take the height to the bottom right there, and wherever you're breaking out, I'm just going to show you the charts. Look where you're going to go. That's going to drop you to 38. Yes, 38. This is not me, that's how the charts I'm interpreting for you, and there could be a 42% drop. And down here, I'm going to drop a horizontal line right there at the 38. This could be your amazing entry opportunity right there. Do you understand that? That would be a nice, good opportunity. Now to confirm this one as well, I'm going to dive into the weekly time frame, and let's talk about the weekly time frame. I'm going to turn on the 55 EMA, and you can see the 55, which is the blue line right there. Let me turn on the 20 as well. Sorry, you can see the 20 is crawling up to find support right here. So it does make sense if it just comes down there, and you can revisit the 20 EMA. Right, so we've been really overextended right there. So the next coming few weeks, you're gonna see a downfall, in my opinion, and it's not gonna go up. But on the larger time frame, there's a good news. On the short time frame, it's bearish. If you guys have a long-term vision, or you can just wait for a nice good entry, you can keep this as a watch list. Okay, you can keep it to the side and you can watch what it does until you do not buy it, until it falls towards the downside. So hear me out. What can you do in this situation? In this situation, you can close your trades if you want to close your trades. Okay, wait for the confirmation of the descending triangle. But I do think it's really overextended, and when the market extends, they go back for the retest and then go in a waveform. But the good news is that even if we came down here and dropped 40%, that would be really bad on the short term, and it will be a torture and a pain. But the reality is you're putting a higher low. You have a higher low right there, a higher low right there. Let's say you just come here, bounce from here, you're making another higher low, you have a higher high, and this, my friend, is still an uptrend. Boom, and then you continue towards the upside. But what about the end of the bull market price prediction? For me, simple. When it launched on the Qcoin, people buy here, and they've been holding their coins and their nerves, and they're waiting for the price to go back up to from where they bought. Okay, just because it's gonna go by 40%, it doesn't mean it's not gonna go by 100%. So let's say you did take an entry from this area, and from here to here, that's gonna be 4x, which is 400 times your investments. All right, And yeah, that's it for the update here, for the detailed update. At the moment, I am expecting a discount, and I'm expecting you to save CRO. Now listen, I'm not trying to sound bearish. The thing that you can do when the market goes down, let's say you did have 100 CRO right there, and then you sell it here, and then it goes down, you get the 50% discount. When you're gonna go, when you buy back, you're gonna get 140. So you're increasing the quantity of the coins, and when it goes back up, if you sold it $100, you're gonna be here with $140. So the market and technical analysis is amazing. It goes up, you win. It goes down, you win. So thank you so much. Do not forget to like this video, because I do need the likes on the channel. YouTube algorithm is not really picking up and spreading these videos to other people as well. So make sure you're just gonna leave a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to it, and don't forget to join the Discord as well, where we are having amazing signals out there. And until then, I'm gonna see you with another coin request. Allah Hafiz.